Welcome back to Audio Trinity, where sound meets technology. We appreciate your continued support and encourage you to subscribe, follow, like, and share our content. Today, we are excited to review a crucial product for car audio enthusiasts: the smart 12 to 24 volt battery charger. If you've got additional car audio equipment in your vehicle, like amplifiers, you know they draw a lot of energy from your car battery. But did you know that your car's alternator may not be enough to keep up with the demand? Here's the deal. Your car's alternator charges the battery in amperage, but it's only designed to power the car's factory equipment. Add an additional amplifier or two and you're drawing more power than the alternator can replenish. That means your battery's power reserves are draining faster than you think. In fact, if you've got an aftermarket audio system, it's recommended to top up your battery every 2 to 3 months to preserve its life. That's where this smart charger comes in. With an active 220 volt socket and an extension power cable, you can easily charge your battery. The charger automatically stops when the battery is full, preventing overcharging and damage to your battery. This product is a must-have even if you don't have aftermarket audio equipment. Your car's battery could use a top-up charge every 6 months to extend its lifespan. In our display, you may notice a smaller battery. This charger also charges motorcycles, gate batteries, and alarm batteries. Get your smart 12 and 24 volts battery charger now on our online store. Find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care and God bless.